Hi, today I'm gonna cook sticky rice in microwave. Okay, you need 2 cups of sweet rice. First thing, clean the rice by rinsing them 2-3 times. Well, just make sure the rice is clean, okay, before you cook it. Then soak it up with hot water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 or 15 minutes, rinse the water again and have to be completely. Then add 1 cup of water back into the rice. Then cook in microwave uncovered for 6 minutes. After cook it, stir and turn the rice. Then cover the rice, put back in microwave another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir the rice again. Then keep the rice in foil to keep it warm. If the rice still not cooked enough, then put it back another 1 minute at the time.